need to make a new brake pedal for the Ugly Twin for the TLR. This is the one that was welded together and half cut off. So this looks pretty recent. Somebody's tried to cut off the inside on the brake pedal, so obviously they've gone to it with a cut-off wheel, so it's been welded. And then you've got that and this contraption. I'm just going to make a whole new one. So good source of high carbon steel is brake calipers off the Volkswagen Crafter. About 6mm thick and fairly tough, so I'll cut it out of there and then start machining it up. So here is the fabrication of the brake pedal. So I've copied the broken and re-welded one. And what I've done is I've made this face here. Oops, move the pen. I actually use the pen. This face here is now the kickstart stop. And so that's lines up with where the old kickstart stop bracket would be, and then this bolts in here, and this little titanium pad is the foot brake. So, and there's just a little bit of clearance behind it, so this won't get hit, and the also will stop the kickstart from over rotating. I'm now going to build the pin. What we have here is I was going to have to remanufacture this, but now looking closely, I'm going to TIG weld material back onto those two ears and build it up, and then I can add some weld material in around the back and then build it up. I think it's going to be the easiest way, and then I will just have to re-drill and tap through the bottom, so that's going to be relatively easy. So I'll start progressing with that, and then once this is built, then I can make the pin. Okay, so built it up with weld, a few bobbles there, but some good passes where it's needed. So I'll just machine off some flats and then start working my way in. So there it is, all bar I have to file or hand file the spline inside. So I'll do that tomorrow, and then have to make the shaft pin to run in between. So quite happy with the way that came out. A little bit rough, but it's come up quite well. Cutting the spline on the brake pedal shaft, just used a carbide tip turned on a 90 degree and just used the carriage feed in and out, and to a depth of about 0.8, 0.9 of a mil. It's rough, but it'll lock in. It's only clamped on, so it'll be fine. I've actually done it every second spline, so it's a heavier, coarser pitch, and then when I file out the dog leg, I'll just file every second one so that it's coarser as well. So here we have the new brake pedal. So I've rebuilt back in under there. Oh, focus. And then we've made this the brake pedal. As you can see, it steps out. The reason for that is this piece of high tensile steel. It's made out of high carbon steel. That is now the kickstart stop. So let me get this to come around. Oh. So no decompression, but that effectively is now the kickstart stop. So I'm going to have to do a little bit of adjustment, just slot those cap screws and slide it forward, but that effectively replaces the stop for the kickstart. So there we go.
Please add your thoughts and comments, like and subscribe. Let's grow this channel.